Hey guys, so it's been a while since I've been here. I just got so busy. I've been so busy with my job, and I'm on the weekend shift, so my my weekend is in the middle of the week, Tuesday and Wednesday. Um, so we just have not been up here in a long time, but I wanted to come up here. So I'll give you all an update on everything, the fans and stuff. Nothing's changed, but yeah. In the living room, we still got the 44-inch home decorators collection, Ashby Park. Oh, that's not in focus at all. This was installed in 2024, I think. This is the second one that I installed. This replaced the Alaska Hugger, hence the white paint. Here's the 16-inch Tatum stand oscillating fan. In my room is the little Holmes fan. Like the 7-inch Duracraft. I'm an idiot. Can't read. I'm tired. In this bedroom, still have the Latex Vortex. That's the run chain. Oh, okay. Just keeps going. We also have the Sunbeam Blizzard fan, which is not plugged in. There we go. Okay, I almost fell over. And then here's the first Ashby Park in my grandma's room. This was installed maybe 2023, I want to say. I would check, but I don't want to stop the video and having to edit it, so, or by edit, I mean splice it together. Still performs well. So I'll run through the speeds on this one. It's on low. These are not the original pull chains. These are off of a Westinghouse Turbo Swirl. Fan and light icon. And then there's also the homes here. And then we have out in the garage, still have the 42 garage fans, the 30-inch can arm twister, and the 42-inch Alaska hugger. I did not bring the GE vent one, the white and brass one. I didn't bother. Because to be honest, we might actually sell this cabin sometime in the future. We're talking about it because my mom and it was this whole thing, but I don't want to get too much into it because it's personal. But my mom and my grandma, these all deck boards? Why are these all in here? Okay, that's weird. My mom and my grandma own this cabin together. And they pay stuff together and the mortgage and just a little bit. It's just extra money, I guess. But I mean, my grandma still seems to enjoy it. She's like up here all the time and in the summer, like every weekend, and I enjoy it. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. It's not happening yet. It's nothing set in stone. But if we did sell it, I would probably, all the fans in the cabin, the ceiling fans would stay. These would come down and I'd take them home. I'd take that light out and all my lights outside and stuff. But that's very hypothetical. Nothing is set in stone here. So we'll go ahead and turn these on. Anyway, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.